The 7th annual Tam Chon Football Tournament, a 15-day carnival of football and cultural extravaganza, was inaugurated on November 16 at Dr. Ambedkar Stadium in New Delhi. A total of 16 teams, comprising of players from different northeastern states, are participating in the tournament to promote peace, friendship and unity among the youth of the country. The event has been organized under the aegis of Tangkhul Naga Society Delhi with support from various government and private agencies.
We want to promote understanding, fraternity among the various communities of North India. We would like to provide opportunity to our budding young talented football players. As far as talent is concerned, we are second to none. Unfortunately, there is no opportunity in Northeast India. That is why we have precisely instituted this in Delhi.
During the opening day ceremony, young artists from Tripura performed a harvest dance. Donny J from Assam enthralled the audience with his melodious voice. Later, choreography was also performed by Donny along with his group.
Platforms like these encourage artists of various genres like dancers and singers and the folk dancers even to exude whatever they have, the confidence and the talent that they have on a stage like this. I mean, it's amazing. You can still hear people they're playing over there, the football. It's basically based on football. So yeah, I mean, it's a wonderful platform altogether.
I feel very grateful as we can showcase our tradition to all over the people and even from Northeast they can see our rich cultural dance. So it's a very nice feeling, and we can also gather here and meet different kinds of people. So it's nice, I can say.
The main attraction on the opening day of the tournament was a match between Zeliangrong Football Club and SSPP FC. Good skills complemented by intense competition between the teams were witnessed on the ground. Zeliangrong FC won by 2-0 over SSPP.
We are so excited about this tournament. We are the defending champion and we want to win this year also. So we prepared well, and of course we have most of our players this year are new. Unlike previous year, we used to call our seniors again, but this year we have maximum new talent, and we're so excited in the first game with all these newcomers, and still we could manage to win the game.
This Tam Chon is the big scope for the new talented player. No, actually, most of the Delhi coaches and manager are seeing our game, so they actually we are senior, so they told me that some talented player needs for Delhi League, for playing I-League, Santosh Trophy, for represent that seniors. No, so they called me to that this new talented will be play well, then try to make it for Delhi League. No, so I think this Tam Chon is a very big scope for talented players.
The holding of such events promotes peace and unity among different communities and also provides a platform to players from the Northeast to showcase their skills.